what are your first thoughts?
Firstly, I want to thank Jesus because I couldn't do this on my own. I know He carried me through today. I want to thank my mom, my dad, my coach, and every single person who just believed in me throughout this time. It was really hard these last whole month, but it just feels like a dream and it's not sunk in yet.
Take your time, Jamie. We'll get through this. You have played an absolute all-time classic. Now your team is here. I want you to just try and take us through the innings itself. So much emotion, but you also batted 3. At what point were you told you're going to be batting 3 to process that, the emotion of the stage? Take us through that.
I actually didn't know I was batting at 3. I was still at 5. I think 5 minutes before entering in, I got to know I'm batting at 3. But I didn't think about me. It was not for me to prove a point. It was just for me to win this match for India because we've always lost in crunch situations. And I just wanted to be there till the end to take us through.
I saw that in your 100 celebration as well, or rather your non-celebration. You were just focused on getting India over the line.
Yeah, today was not about my 50 or my 100. Today was about making India win. I know I got a few chances, but I just feel that God scripted everything, and at the right time when you do things with the right intention, He always blesses, and I just felt everything that happened so far was just a setup for this.
Take us through the emotion of what you've just said.
Almost cried every day throughout this tour. I was not doing well mentally, going through a lot of anxiety. Then being dropped was another challenge for me. But I think all I had to do was show up, and God just took everything, care of everything.
You're so brave, and you're an inspiration for just speaking about it. A lot of messages to the crowd as well. Just take me through what you keep telling yourself through and things like that.
Yeah, I think initially I was just playing, I just keep talking to myself. But towards the end, I was just quoting one scripture from the Bible because I had lost energy. I was very tired. I was drained. But one scripture that says, just stand still and God will fight for you. And that's what I did. I just stood there and He fought for me. Just stand still and God will fight for you. And that's what I did. I just stood there and He fought for me.